Hi friends, welcome back to Team Education. Friends, in this video we are solving problem on partial differentiation or functions of several variables. Friends, the given problem is if x square by a square plus u plus y square by b square plus u plus z square by c square plus u is equal to 1, then prove that dou u by dou x whole square plus dou u by dou y whole square plus dou u by dou z whole square, which is equal to 2 times of x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y plus z into dou u by dou z. Okay friends, now here you have to observe that we are differentiating u partially with respect to x, y and z also. So you can say here u is a function of x, y, z. So you can get first order partial derivatives of u with respect to x is dou u by dou x. We can denote with the u suffix x simply. Now dou u by dou y and dou u by dou z. Okay friends. Now actually problems generally they will give find this value. But here they are given this value we have to prove, means LHS we have to prove is equal to RHS. So friends, LHS if you are getting suppose 10, RHS also we have to get a 10. Then you can say LHS is equal to RHS. Remember. Now, given problem I am writing first. Given problem is x square by a square plus u plus y square by b square plus u plus z square by c square plus u is equal to 1. Consider this as equation number 1, and you have to remember where u is a function of x, y, z. Friends, I think you know very well about this formula. Suppose 1 by f of x is there. 1 by f of x derivative with respect to x is minus 1 by f of x whole square into inner derivative f dash of x. 1 by bracket derivative is minus 1 by bracket square into bracket derivative. Okay friends. Now here you have a numerator x square, denominator is a square plus u. Here u is a function of x, y, z. We require to find out dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z. Okay friends, here you see these are in a order. Which order? Whenever you have x square, here you have a square. Whenever you have y square, here you have a b square. Whenever you have z square, here you have c square. So there is a relation. So if you find out dou u by dou x, no need to find out dou u by dou y and dou u by dou z. You can replace x by y and y x by z. If you replace x by y, then replace a value with b. If you replace x by z, replace a value with c. That's it. Okay friends. Now I am differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to x. Then we have numerator is x term, denominator is also x term. Why it is x term? Is there any x directly? No. But u is a function of x. That is the reason both the numerator and denominator in terms of x. So friends, you know the formula u by v formula. What is the u by v formula? Here you have a denominator into numerator derivative minus numerator into denominator derivative by denominator square. This is one method. Suppose if you consider x square is the first term and 1 by a square plus u is the second term, then you have to apply uv rule. Which rule? Uv rule. What is the uv dash? You have u into v dash plus v into u dash. First term into second term derivative is first term into second term derivative plus second term into first term derivative. I am considering x square is the first term. 1 by a square plus u as a second term. So what is the second term derivative? 1 by bracket derivative. What is the 1 by bracket derivative? Minus 1 by bracket square into bracket derivative. So I am writing minus 1 by a square plus u whole square into inner derivative, means this bracket derivative with respect to x. So here a square is there. Is there any x term? No x term. So this derivative will be 0. Here you have a x. What is the x derivative? Dou u by dou x, because u is a function of x, y, z. Okay, u is a function of x, y, z. Now what we did? U v dash we are done. Plus v into u dash. What is the v? 1 by a square plus u is a v. Now u dash. X square derivative is what? 2x. Is it clear friends? What we have done? U v dash plus v u dash plus what is the term here? You have numerator y square. But we are differentiating with respect to x. So this is independent of x. So it is a constant. So I am writing constant first outside. Now what is the remaining term? 1 by b square plus u is in the form of 1 by f of x. So 1 by bracket derivative is minus 1 by bracket square. So instead of this plus, I have to write minus 1 by bracket square, that is b square plus u whole square into inner derivative with respect to x is b square derivative is a 0 because b square is there. Is there any x term? No x term. So independent of x. So this derivative will be 0 plus u derivative with respect to x is dou u by dou x. This is over. Next, here you have a z square is a constant. So I am writing z square here. 1 by c square plus u is in the form of 1 by f of x. What is the f of x? 1 by f of x derivative? Minus 1 by f of x whole square. So 1 by minus 1 into z square means z square, c square plus u whole square into inner derivative what I have? Dou u by dou x, which is equal to right side part what I have, friends? 1. Is there any x term? No. So constant derivative will be 0. That's it. So friends, I have to simplify this, and by the observation I can say here you have a dou u by dou x. Is there any dou u by dou x? No. Here you have a dou u by dou x. Here you have a dou u by dou x. So I am taking dou u by dou x is a common. So dou u by dou x if I taken common. Moreover, here I have minus. Here I have minus. Here also I have minus. So minus dou u by dou x I am taking common. Then the remaining terms what I have, you see, x square by a square plus u whole square. Next, plus. Here minus I took common, that is why plus I have. Is there any dou u by dou x term? No, you don't have. So don't touch this term. Now go for this dou u by dou x if I take in common. Then I will have y square by b square plus u whole square. Next, here you have a dou u by dou x term. Here minus is there. So already minus I have written outside. Then I will get plus dou u by dou x term quotient is what? Z square by c square plus u whole square, which is bracket is closed because first, second, third, 3 terms are over. The remaining term you write, remaining is what I have? Plus 2x by a square plus u, which is equal to 0. Okay friends, now from this what we can write? Friends, you observe, from this we have to write dou u by dou x value because we need to find dou u by dou x whole square. That is the reason from this entire equation we need to write down dou u by dou x. Friends, here you observe, this is a term I am considering as any other function. I am considering this entire function as a capital F. Capital F. Consider this entire function as capital F. Then we have minus dou u by dou x into capital F plus 2x by a square plus u, which is equal to 0. From this you can say dou u by dou x value. Now minus if you take in right side, then you will have a plus dou u by dou x into capital F is equal to 2x by a square plus u. I want only dou u by dou x term. So dou u by dou x, which is equal to 2x by capital F into a square plus u. Okay friends. Moreover, what you required in the formula, in the problem, dou u by dou x whole square. So write down dou u by dou x whole square, which is equal to 2x whole square means, can I write 4x square? Yes, I can write 4x square. In the denominator what I have write? F is there. So write down f square into a square plus u whole square. That's it. Okay friends. But in the problem what we need to find? We have to find dou u by dou x whole square plus dou u by dou y whole square plus dou u by dou z whole square. Already we did dou u by dou x whole square. So replace x by y, x by z. Then you will get these two values also. So friends, from this I am writing dou u by dou y whole square, dou u by dou z whole square by replacing x by y and x by z. So here you have a numerator 4. I am replacing x by y. Then I will have 4y square by f square into. So a also I have to replace it by what? B. Remember friends, x I have to replace it by y, a I have to replace it by b. If we replaced x by z, then we have to replace a by c. Okay, you remember? Then b square plus u whole square and dou u by dou z whole square is 4 times of x I have to replace it by what? Z. So 4z square divided by f square into a I have to replace it by what? C. So c square plus u whole square. Now what we have to do? We have to add these all three. Then we will get a LHS value. So left hand side we have a dou u by dou x whole square, dou u by dou y whole square, dou u by dou z whole square. Okay, I have added these three. Then we will have 4x square by f square into a square plus u whole square plus 4y square divided by f square into b square plus u whole square plus 4z square by f square into c square plus u whole square. Now what we have to do? From this, can any term will be common? Yes, you have 4 is a common from the numerator and the denominator f square will be common. Then 4 by f square if you take in common, then I will have x square by a square plus u whole square plus y square by b square plus u whole square plus z square by c square plus u whole square. But friends, this value already we are considered as a capital F. Okay, if you want you can see. Okay, you see here what we have? X square by a square plus u whole square plus y square by b square plus u whole square plus z square by c square plus u whole square as what? F. So now I am replacing this value with f. Then which is equal to 4 by f square into capital F. Numerator f and denominator f getting cancelled, then this value will be 4 by f. Friends, you remember we have left hand side value will be 4 by f. Now we need to find out the right hand part. What we have right side? We have 2 times of x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y plus z into dou u by dou z. So friends, for dou u by dou x you multiply with x, dou u by dou y multiply with y, dou u by dou z multiply with z. So now I am writing dou u by dou x value, dou u by dou y value, dou u by dou z value, multiplying x, y, z respectively. Later on I have to add and multiply with 2. Friends, you remember we have a dou u by dou x is 2x by f into a square plus u. Once again I am repeating, dou u by dou x value is 2x by f into a square plus u. Now 2 times of x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y plus z into dou u by dou z value is 2 times of x is x, friends. We have actually dou u by dou x is 2x by f into a square plus u. Okay, now I have to multiply with x. So 2x into x means 2x square plus, now just I have replaced x by, if you want to get a yuy, what you have to do? Uy means x replaced by y and a replaced by b. Then you will have dou u by dou y. So here you have a 2, x replaced by y means 2y square divided by f is f, a replaced by b. So b square plus u plus, now z into dou u by dou z. Then it will be 2 times of x replaced by z. So 2z square by f into a replaced by what? In this case, I have replaced x by z. So a I have to replace it by c. C square plus u. Okay, friends. Now from these two, what I can take common? 2 is there. So, and the denominator f is there. So 2 times of 2, 4 divided by f, which is common. Then we will have x square by a square plus u plus y square by b square plus u plus z square by c square plus u. Friends, you observe, what is this value? Is there given anything? Once you see the problem, then you can say this value directly. Friends, we have this formula is equal to 1. Okay, once I am checking this value, is it equal to 1 or not? From the given problem. Friends, here you see they are given if x square by a square plus u, y square by b square plus u plus z square by c square plus u is equal to 1. So this one value we are substituting in the last what we got the step. Okay. So I have substituted this entire value will be 1. Then you will have this is 4 by f. Actually, what is the 4 by f we have? LHS. Yes or no? You see, LHS value is we have a 4 by f. So LHS is equal to RHS. This is LHS or not? Yes, this is what? RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, we can say dou u by dou x whole square plus dou u by dou y whole square plus dou u by dou z whole square, which is equal to 2 times of xux plus yuy plus zuz. That's it. Hence proved. Friends, it is clear for everyone, I am thinking. Okay? Right. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. Right. Thank you for watching this video.